All right, so here we have a 2005 Chevy Tahoe. We're going to be replacing the rear hatch lift supports. All right, so the only tool that I'm going to need is a flathead screwdriver. So I just have to relieve this clip here. There's a little groove. I do have one hand on the tailgate. I'm going to take the bottom one off too. All right, there we go. Oh, and then it just falls off. So our angle is just a little hard on this one. All right, so we have our old one off. All right, so with the clip still on, I'm just going to press it on. I'm going to do the same thing for the lower. All right, so now we'll go to the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and remove my clip. All right, and there we go. We have our new strut supports installed.